A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with science. Yes, today we will revise our chapter number 1, that is food and digestion. Today's date 29 July. So ready for revision? Yes. Advantages of revision. Why should we revise? मैम हमें तो सब कुछ आता है, क्यों हम रिविजन करें? Let's see what are the advantages of revision. Memory enhancement. Children, when we revise things, what happens is that our memory get enhanced. वो परमानेंटली हमारे मेमोरी में फिट हो जाता है जब हम चीज़ों को बहुत रिवाइज करते हैं तो. सेकेंड पॉइंट, बिल्ड्स कॉन्फिडेंस. जब हम रिवाइज करते हैं तो वी आर कॉन्फिडेंट कि यस आई नो दिस आंसर, इसका आंसर यही होना चाहिए. हमारे मन में कुछ कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहता. थर्ड पॉइंट, रिलीव्स एग्जाम स्ट्रेस. अगर हमारे में कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया, इफ वी हैव बिल्ड अवर कॉन्फिडेंस, then naturally the exam stress will go. No exam stress. We will do happy learning. Increases the speed of writing. If you know the answer, you are confident, then automatically your speed will increase. But if you do not know the answer, then your speed will decrease because you will have to think, I am writing correct or not, I am writing correct or not. And if you are confident enough, if you have revised, then your speed will naturally increase. Decreases exam phobia. No need of exam stress or phobia. We will do happy learning. Now let's see the pattern of question paper. Fill in the blanks, 5 marks. Multiple choice question, 5 marks. Match the following, 4 marks. True and false, 5 marks. Answer the following questions, 6 marks. Okay, now this was the pattern of question paper. Now I will give you some tips to score well. The first point, don't get distracted. Okay, ऐसा नहीं मैम न्यूज में तो आ रहा है ऑनलाइन टीचिंग बंद हो रही है इसलिए हमने पढ़ाई नहीं की. I don't want to listen this type of excuses from you. No distraction. हमारी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग चालू है. Our video lessons are coming to you. Okay. Our assessments is going. So children, don't get distracted by all these things. हमारी पढ़ाई चालू है, हम पढ़ेंगे और हम बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाएंगे. Okay. Then do the hard subjects first. Different children, okay, face difficulty in different subjects. The subject in which you find difficulty, do that subject first. Then go to the second subject. Take breaks. Don't study for long hours sitting at one place. Okay, study for 1 hour, take 10 minutes break. Then again study for 1 hour, take 10 minutes break. Take proper sleep before the test. Before the test, have a good sleep of 8 hours. Then you will be very relaxed, okay, at the time of your exams. Use your notes and review. Okay, आपको हमने notes दे दिए हैं. You have to do it in your notebook. Many of you have done also. So review your notes, study them again and again, revise them. Keep up with what you are learning. Okay, take your self test. Ask a question to you, then close your notebook and try to answer. This is your self test. Then check whether you have told the question, whether you have answered it correctly or not. Now we will see some revision notes. Now children, we will have the gist of our whole chapter. We will study our notes because in notes whole chapter comes. Okay, the first one, nuts give us lot of dash, that is fats. आपको 3 ऑप्शन दिए हुए होंगे. Nuts give us lot of fats, proteins or carbohydrate. What will be the answer? Fats. Eggs are rich in dash. Eggs are rich in proteins. Food rich in proteins are called body building foods because our body is made up of proteins, है ना? And that is why proteins are known as body building foods. A person becomes fat after eating too much of junk food because junk food contains lot of oil and fat in it. Cooking kills the germs present in the food because in cooking what happens is the germs is exposed to high temperature and at high temperature the germs are killed. Fill in the blanks. Food passes through the food pipe to reach the stomach. Through food pipe, the food travels to stomach. Growing children need a lot of proteins in their food. Why growing children need lot of proteins? Because of the growth requirement of growing children. Because you are in your growing phase. Your height is increasing, your weight is increasing. Fat gives us more energy than carbohydrates because fats are the richest source of energy. Salt and oil in pickle acts as preservative. Salt as well as oil in pickles. जो अचार होता है आप उसमें देखोगे उसमें salt भी present होता है and oil is also there because they help in preserving the pickles. Cooking makes the food tasty. Can you eat brinjal without cooking? No. Can you eat potato without cooking? No. So cooking makes the food tasty. We should avoid overeating. Very short questions. Name any one method of food preservation. I have written refrigeration. Now come on, tell me which are the other methods of food preservation? Canning, bottling, dehydration, adding preservatives. Okay, all these are methods of food preservation. Which organ produces bile? Liver produces bile. Name a mineral which helps in the formation of blood in our body. Name the mineral. Iron is the mineral. Name 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. Come on, tell me which are the 4 food items rich in carbohydrates. And who need carbohydrates more? A person who is doing lot of physical work needs carbohydrates because carbohydrates are energy giving food. Let's see the answer. You are correct or not? Rice, wheat, potatoes and bread are rich in carbohydrates. Name any 2 junk foods. Very simple. Come on, tell me which are the 2 junk foods. Pizza. Okay. Second one, burger. Okay, let's see. These options are also correct. French fries and chips. Short answer questions. What is roughage? Roughage is the fiber which we get from plants and roughage helps in the removal of undigested food from our body. Roughage is the fiber present in the food items that we get from plants. How does saliva helps in digestion of food? How does saliva helps in digestion of food? It makes the food soft. Let's see. Saliva breaks the starch of food into simple sugars and makes the food soft. Saliva breaks the starch of food into simple sugar. starch is present in the food, okay, and our saliva contains some enzymes which convert the complex food into simple food. Starch is a complex form and sugar is a simple form. What is food preservation? What is food preservation, children? The process by which we can prevent the food items from getting spoiled for a long time is known as food preservation. Why do we preserve food items? Food items get spoiled at room temperature after some time and are not good for our health. That is why we preserve food items for long use. What is the function of pancreas? Pancreas produces juices. Which type of juices? Digestive juices that helps to digest carbohydrates, fats, proteins in small intestine. Okay. During dinner, Manisha always serves water to everybody in the family. How many glasses of water should we drink daily? We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. And the second one is, what value do we learn from Manisha? Care and concern for others. Because ऐसा नहीं वो सिर्फ खुद ही पानी पी रही है, वो दूसरों को भी पानी दे रही है. So what we learn from Manisha? Care and concern. See children, what is meant by digestion? Digestion is a process in which the food we eat is broken down into simple and soluble substances that are absorbed by the body. Why are food rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food? The foods which are rich in vitamins and minerals both are called protective foods. Why? Because they increase our immunity. That's why. Because vitamin helps our body to fight against diseases and they keep us healthy. This question was there in your worksheet also. All of these questions, maximum questions were there in your worksheet, kids. This you have done in your notebook also. So children, prepare very well for your exam, okay. Go through your textbook thoroughly, go through your notes thoroughly, okay. And in case if you are having any kind of doubt, you are always free to call me, okay. आपको कुछ भी doubt है, कैसा भी doubt है, भले छोटा सा doubt हो, you are always free to call me and ask me. I will be very happy to solve your doubts, okay. Study well. May God bless you.